Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Friends, today we have to start with question number 24. So let's see the question number 24, right? Let's see. 24th question says that Kana and Kavisha are the partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2 is to 3. Balance sheet of their firm as on 31st March 2016 was as under. You take the textbook with you, pen, pencil, whatever you want, right? I have the textbook, I'm just managing it. Yes. So let's start the topic. Again, I am reading. Kana and Kavisha are the partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2 is to 3. Balance sheet of their firm as on 31/3/16 was as under. Right. So first comes the capital. This capital we have to write on which side? It comes in partners capital. Contingency reserve that we can distribute. That's why it is known as accumulated profit. Then comes the topic workman compensation fund. That is also what accumulated profit. Investment reserve, accumulated profit. Creditor 100% it's a liability. Bad debt reserve we can say it's a one type of liability, or we can deduct from debtor also. But let it be, we can take in the liability. Then comes the topic building. It's very simple. Asset, machinery asset, stock asset, debtor asset, bank also asset. Bank we have to open an account, right? Investment is an account. They admitted Palki as a new partner on 1/4/16 on the following terms. And what is the condition? Kanha sacrificed one of the word you remember we have learned in the concept of her share, that is multiplied 1/4 of her share. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 80,000. Kana and Kavisha will withdraw 50% of their share of goodwill, right? Depreciation on machine is to be provided at 10%. So we have to take on machinery, right? First of all, I just rub this and then I will put an adjustment. Yes, the first comes the depreciation on machinery. So I'm taking on the machinery. Bad debt of 6,000 is to be written off and provision for bad debt is to be kept 15% on. That is on debtors, 2 tick mark. Market value of investment is 15,000. Investment. Claim of workman compensation is accepted how much? Right. Is to be accepted at rupees 50,000. Okay. So it's 40,000. We have to add it now. Point is there. 10% creditor is not to be paid. Creditors. Palki will bring 1,20,000 as capital and her share of goodwill in cash. So it's clearly they say that goodwill is bringing cash. Prepare the column, friends. The first column we prepare is the revaluation. Give the heading revaluation. Give the heading revaluation account for the ending on 31st March 2017. Debit and credit. After evaluation, give the heading partners capital account. Partners capital account. 3 names will come. First partner name will come Kanha, Kavisha, Palki. Kanha, Kavisha, Palki. Then comes the new account, that is cash bank account, and then we go for the balance sheet. So prepare that also, cash bank and the balance sheet. So let's start our sum. The first information I can see is capital. So where we have to write capital, Go to partners capital credit side. Buy balance brought forward. Kana I can see it's 80,000, while Kavisha it comes to 1 lakh. Clear? Then comes the topic contingency reserve. I already said it's an accumulated profit. So where we have to go in credit side. Buy contingency reserve. 15,000 in 2 is to 3. 15,000 in 2 is to 3. That comes to 6,000 and 9,000. Right? After contingency is workman compensation fund. And now actually it's an accumulated profit. But what's the problem? It's we have accepted how much 50,000 and we have the fund of how much only 40. So we cannot distribute, we have to add actually. So capital comes Kanha, then we write Kavisha, and then we write Palki. And then we write the heading Workman Compensation Fund. Inner column will write 40,000 because we have to add an extra amount. After that, investment reserve is there, right? And that investment reserve we cannot distribute. The reason is that point number 6 is there. Some market value of investment is how much now? It's a market value of investment come to 15,000. So we have to adjust from this reserve and then only we can do it. Right, let's see that also. Creditors, it's a liability. So creditors we can write here. Creditors comes to 50,000. Oh, sorry. Tick mark is there on the creditors, right? So we can write on the inner column. Creditors tick mark is there, so we have to write in inner column. Creditors. Bad debt reserve is how much? 3,000 is given, right? And provision for bad debt reserve is 15%. That also we can make there only. Let's see. In asset, we can see the first point is building. In building, no tick mark is there. So building, outer column, 1,10,000. After building, I can see it's machinery. In machinery also, we can see tick mark is there. So the machinery inner column 50,000. After machinery, I come to get stock. In stock, no tick mark is there. So outer column it comes 30,000. After that, stock debtor is there. Debtor's inner column it comes 66,000 and 2 tick. So we have to give 3 lines. Cash and bank. That we have to write on the debit side. Cash and bank we have to write debit side. And here we write to balance brought forward. 14,000. Investment. That we have to write again on asset, inner column. Investment 30,000. Then we can see what happens. I'm just leaving 3 lines. Now, what is the first point, friends? Kana sacrifice half of, right? Kana sacrifices half of her share. Now, we are going to learn a topic that already we have discussed, but it's a very important one. What is the first letter? Kanha sacrifices half of her share. So, Kana's sacrifice ratio half of her share. So, what is the share of Kana? 2 by 3, that is 2 by 5. I can say 2 by 10. Let's see. Kavisha sacrifice. Kavisha sacrifice 1/4 of her share. So I can write K1 or I can write K2 sacrifice 1/4 into 3 by 5. So it comes 3 by 20. So let make the LCM same. So it's 2 by 20 and right 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. 2 by 10 and 3 by 20. So let make here I can multiply by 2 by 2. So it comes 4 by 20 and 3 by 20. So now we can say the sacrifice ratio is right. Sacrifice ratio of Kana and Kavisha is 4:3. The first thing. And after that I can say the new, that is Palki share. Palki share, how we can find? Palki is getting 4 by 20 from K1 and 3 by 20 from Kavisha. So that we have to add 3 by 20. It comes 7 by 20. The new share comes to 7 by 20. So we have seen everything. Now we are going towards the topic. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 80,000. So we have to calculate this. Second point is goodwill. So goodwill total value is how much? 80,000. So how to do that now? Kavisha's share, not the Kavisha, sorry, Palki's share. Palki's share, in the last point you can see that Palki is bringing her share of goodwill in cash. So Palki's share goodwill 80,000 into 7 by 20. Calculate. You will get 28,000. Right? And now you remembering that when a new partner bring cash for goodwill, we have some entries. So what is the first entry? The entry is cash account debited to premium for goodwill. That is 28,000 and 28,000. First point. And number two is premium for goodwill account debited 28,000 to sacrificing partners, that is K1's capital to K2's capital. So 28,000 we have to distribute in sacrifice ratio, that is 4:3. That is 16,000 and 12,000. Right? So that also we have completed. And the third point is Kana and Kavisha will withdraw 50% of the share of goodwill. Okay. That we can do afterwards. Or we can do this point at the earliest, no problem. So let's start the point. Go to cash account debit side. There we are writing to premium for goodwill. How much bringing? 28,000. And after that, the second entry is, what is the entry? Premium for goodwill account debited to partners. So buy premium for goodwill. Buy premium for goodwill. And here it comes, how much? 16,000 and 12,000. That also completed. Now they says that withdraw 50%. They are withdrawing. So we can write on the debit side to bank goodwill is withdrawing. 16,000 half, 8,000. 12,000 half, 6,000. That we have to transfer to credit side by Alvin sound over by Kanha's capital. How much? 8,000. Alvin sound करके. Then comes by K2's capital. 6,000. In that way we have done. That is half of that. Okay. Depreciation on building is to be provided at 10%. So go to building. Sorry, machinery is to be provided. Minus depreciation 10%. 5,000. 45,000. Now this 5,000 is a loss. that we write in the revaluation debit side to machinery 5,000. After the machine, bad debt of 6,000 to be written off and provision for bad debt reserve is to be kept at 15% on debtors. So debtors minus bad debt 6,000. So now it comes 66 minus 6, it comes 60,000. Minus bad debt reserve, how much they are asking? 15%. So it comes 9,000. But already we have a provision of how much? 3,000. So plus we have to give 6. So 60 minus 9, 51,000. So 6,000 we have to give extra to do. Right? 6,000 we have to give extra. So on debit side it will come, in debit side it come to bad debt 6,000, to bad debt reserve it will come for how much? 3,000 only. Sorry, total we have to give how much? 9,000. No? Yes, so we have to give extra 6,000. Yes, bad debt reserve 6,000. Clear? Market value of investment is 15,000. Now what is that? Total is 15,000 only. Right. So first thing we use the reserve. And how much reserve is there? 12,000. So minus investment reserve comes 15,000. So we are left with again 15,000. So now it's a loss. Minus return off 3,000. Right. Minus return off 3,000. And that we have to transfer to revaluation debit side to investment return off 3,000. Claim of workman compensation is to be accepted how much? 50,000 they are saying. So here comes the workman compensation plus outstanding. How much we have to provide? 10,000. It's come 50,000. So that we have to transfer to revaluation debit side to outstanding claim 10,000. Next they says that creditors are not to be paid. Creditors को पैसे नहीं देने. तो come to creditors. Creditors में लिखो minus return off. How much? Creditors not to be paid 10%, that is 5,000. Outer column 45,000. So minus minus opposite side. It's an income for us. By creditors 5,000. Last point is Palki will bring 1,20,000 as capital. So go to cash account debit side to Palki's capital account 1,20,000. That we have to transfer to capital credit side by cash account. In Palki's column we can take 1,20,000. And goodwill in cash, I think that already we have completed. Right. So now we are going to tally this sum. So it's clear. So now make the total. I think the debit side is more. 5,000, 6,000 plus 6, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 10, it comes total 30,000. Here also we can write 30,000. The gap comes 25,000. Here we can write by partners capital account, and it's a loss. Two partners, Kanha, Kavisha, and the ratio is already been said to you 2 and 3. So it comes 10,000 and it comes here 15,000. ट्रांसफर करेंगे पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के डेबिट में टू रिवैल्यूएशन. It comes 10,000 and 15,000. अब टोटल करो 80,000, 6,000 and 16,000. It comes 1,02,000. 1,09,000 and 12 करेंगे. It comes 1,21,000. And here comes 1,20,000. Make the total here 1,02,000, 1,21,000, 1,20,000. Now deduct it. 1,02,000 minus 18,000, we get 84,000. 1,21,000 minus 21,000, we get 1 lakh. 120, 1,20,000. To balance carried forward. That balance we have to write in balance sheet. Kana 84,000, Kavisha 1 lakh, 1,20,000. Total comes to 3,04,000. Then comes the cash. Make the total of cash 14,000, 28,000 and 120. It comes to 1,62,000. 1,62,000. So finally we get 1,48,000 by balance carried forward. And that balance we write in balance sheet. Cash or bank. 1,48,000. So make the total now. 3,04,000 plus 50 plus 45. It comes to 3,99,000. Then 1,10,000, 45, 30, 51, 15, 48. That also comes to 3,99,000. Right? So here we complete this particular sum. So I am revising one more time the topic of regarding the concept of ratio, right? So what they want to say in the ratio, again I am cleaning everything and then I am showing to you. So what is the first topic? They says that Kanha sacrificed half of share. So let's see properly. Kanha sacrifices half of her share. Half of her share. I already discussed with you when off comes we have to multiply. So half into her share it's 2 by 5. It comes 2 by 10. Right. Then come Kavisha. Kavisha sacrificed how much? 1/4 of her share. That is 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. It's 3 by 20. In order to make the LCM, that's why we have to multiply with either 2. It comes 4 by 20 and 3 by 20. Therefore, sacrifice ratio is 4:3. Clear? And then comes this want to say that, who is sacrificing and how much. Now, Palki share is not given. So, Palki's share comes to 4 by 20 plus 3 by 20. It comes 7 by 20. 4 by 20 plus 3 by 28 comes 7 by 20. So this is Palki's share. Now comes the concept goodwill. Total goodwill is given how much? I think 80,000. Total goodwill is given 80,000. And from that, what they want to say, from that they want says that the last point that Palki is bringing the cash. So Palki's share in goodwill 80,000 into 7 by 20, that we get 28,000. And now our journal entry starts. So first journal entry is cash account debited to premium for goodwill. How much? 28,000. And number 2 is premium for goodwill account debited to K1's capital and K2's capital. Premium is 28,000 and K1 share is how much? The sacrifice ratio we have to do, that is 4 and 3. 16,000 and 12,000. Right. So I think it's very clear now. Just complete this sum perfectly and revise it. Okay? Clear? Okay then. Take care. Thank you.